Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make a little strawberry shortcake cup. All you're going to need is Hershey's. You're going to need some strawberries that you're going to cut up. Just kind of cut up into little pieces. You're going to put the Hershey's into the strawberries. You need heavy whipping cream. And I made that myself. You could just buy whipping cream from the store, put it in your blender, and add powdered sugar to it, and just a basic white cake, and I put it in a bundt pan. Then you're gonna need your little cup. So basically you just take the cup, you want to layer it. You want to put in your strawberries first. I would put those in first because you want to eliminate as much contact with the cake so that it won't get soggy. So I put in my strawberries. Then I'm just gonna put in a dollop of my cream. And all you need to do is really easy, is just take a piece of your cake. Take a piece of your cake and then just press it on top of your cream and your strawberries. You can add more cream on top. Put more cream on top, and then I would add more strawberries on top, and you can put juice in it as well. And all you do, you have it, here you go. You just put your top on it. There you go. Put your top on it, and there you go, you have it. Stick it in the fridge, let it get a little cold, and there you go, your strawberry shortcake cup. Any questions, just email me. Thank you.